Hello students, welcome to my channel Biology by Monica Sharma. So today we are going to discuss the structure of nephron with the help of a diagram. So what is nephron? Nephron, that is the structural and functional unit of kidney that do the filtration of the blood so that the metabolic waste is removed from our blood. So let us discuss the structure. So the nephron that consists of the renal corpuscles and the renal tubule, and the renal corpuscles has two parts. First is the Bowman capsule and second is the glomerulus. So let us understand. So firstly you can see here this tubular like structure, tube like structure is there, that double walled structure, and it is cup shape, so it is known as Bowman capsule. Capsule means covering, because it covers the bunch of capillaries or the tuft of capillaries, so it is known as Bowman capsule. And here you can see there is the bunch of capillaries. So how these bunch of capillaries are formed? These are formed by the afferent arteriole. What is this afferent arteriole? It is the branch of the renal artery. Renal artery means the artery that is coming inside the kidney. Renal word is related to kidney. So the first main artery, then further bifurcation of the artery is the arteriole. So here it is written afferent arteriole, the artery that is coming in the kidney. So it is the branch of the main is the renal artery, and the branch of that renal artery, that is the afferent arteriole. Then this afferent arteriole enter into the Bowman capsule, and here it form the bunch of capillaries, and that tuft of capillaries or the bunch of capillaries is nothing but that is the glomerulus. Then the arteriole, also the blood vessel that is coming from this bunch of capillary or exit, means it is exiting or exit from this. So E for exit, E for efferent. So we can say that artery is known as efferent arteriole. So I think you understood the two parts of the renal corpuscles. First the glomerulus and second is the Bowman capsule. And both they are also known as the Malphizian body or the renal corpuscles. After that, the tubular part or the renal tubule. So the first tubular part, that is the PCT. What is the full form? Proximal convoluted tubule. Tubule means the tube. So double walled tube is there. Proximal का मतलब होता है जो बिल्कुल पास में होता है. तो ये बोमेन कैप्सूल के बिल्कुल साथ वाला है, तो इसको हम बोलेंगे प्रॉक्सिमल. सपोज मैं ये बता रही हूँ कि जो ये फिंगर है, ये हमारी जो पाम है इससे जुड़ी हुई है, तो फिंगर का ये पार्ट जो है इसको हम बोलेंगे प्रॉक्सिमल, और ये पार्ट जो होगा इसको हम बोलेंगे डिस्टल. सो दैट इज द प्रॉक्सिमल कॉन्वोल्यूटेड टिब्यूल. That is highly coiled and it is attached to the Bowman capsule. Then it give rise to a hairpin like structure, or we can say a loop, and that loop is similar to the hairpin. जो hairpin होती है उसके अंदर ऐसे दो lobes होते हैं और नीचे वो U shape structure बनाती है. So that it is the hairpin loop like structure. So the name is loop of Henle, and this loop of Henle going in the downward direction. So we can say descending limb of loop of Henle. Limb का मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे हमारे हाथ, इनको हम बोलेंगे फोर लिम्स. हमारे पैर हाइंड लिम्स. लिम्स मीन्स जो प्रोजेक्शंस हैं. तो ये इस तरह से दो जो ब्रांच बन रही हैं, तो इसलिए हम इसको बोल रहे हैं लिम्ब. सो डिसेंडिंग लिम्ब ऑफ लूप ऑफ Henle. Then it make the shape U shape or the hairpin like structure, then go in the upward direction. If it is going in the upward direction, then we can say ascending order. So ascending limb of loop of Henle. Then also it change into a highly coiled structure, and this highly coiled structure is away from the Bowman capsule or away from the first part. So the name is distal. So proximal and the distal part. So this distal convoluted tubule or DCT. Then this DCT that is open into a common duct, and that common duct is collecting duct. And you have to remember this thing. This collecting duct is not common for only for one nephron. Other DCTs, other nephron DCT also open into this common collecting duct. So here you can see. So that is also other nephron are also opening into it. Here also. So a common collecting duct is formed by the opening of the different types of nephron DCT. डिफरेंट टाइप्स के नेफ्रॉन के जो डीसीटी हैं वो एक कॉमन कलेक्टिंग डक्ट जो है उसके अंदर ओपन होंगे. तो आई थिंक अप टू हियर एंड नो कंफ्यूजन. नाउ वन टर्म इज गिवन हियर. दिस इज वासा रेक्टा. सो व्हाट इज दिस वासा रेक्टा? इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द पेरिट्यूबुलर कैपिलरीज. I think it is very clear to you that there are the three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and the capillaries. So the further bifurcation of the artery, that is the arteriole, then it gives rise to capillaries. From the surface of the capillaries, there will be the exchange of the gases, and finally these capillaries join to form venules. Then venules give rise to the main vein, and that vein open into the vena cava. So that is the different part. So like this, there are also the, if firstly arteriole is there, then the further bifurcation they form the capillaries, and the capillaries formed by the efferent arteriole is known as peritubular capillary. And the one peritubular capillary, that is, you can say U shape, and it is run parallel to the loop of Henle, is nothing but it is known as vasa recta. So you can see the red color capillaries are there, and these capillaries also making the same shape like that of the loop of Henle. So these capillaries are, you can say, the vasa recta. That main capillary is the vasa recta, or these capillaries also known as peritubular capillaries. So I think you understood the different parts of the nephron, and in physiology it is very, you can say, interesting also. It is very hard for you to understand each and everything, but if you understand by this way, then there will be no problem in labeling. And in the diagram there should be the proper labeling, and if you doing the proper labeling, then there will be no problem. Okay, so let's revise. The nephron has a two part, the renal corpuscles and the renal tubule. Renal corpuscles, the glomerulus and the Bowman capsule. Afferent arteriole is there. Then this afferent arteriole make the bunch of capillaries. Glomerulus, the capillary that is arising from here, that is efferent. E for exit, E for efferent. So it is coming, then it make a U-shaped structure. That U-shaped structure is the vasa recta. And from the Bowman capsule also highly coiled structure, proximal convoluted tubule. Then it change into a U-shaped structure, loop of Henle. Then highly coiled structure, distal convoluted tubule, and then it open into the main collecting duct. So that is the diagrammatic representation of nephron. I think you understood, and that's all for today. Thank you.